Hi and welcome. I am here today with Xiaomi POCO F3 and I'll be showing you how to get an MI control center on this phone. So let's go to Google Play Store and here we have to look for MI control center and it's right here at the top. It's called MI control center notifications and quick actions. Install. Now open, tap on try limited version. We have to give, as you can see, many permissions to the application. Dual SIM allow, accessibility, downloaded apps, MI control center, and use MI control center. Allow. Now right, allow modifying system settings, go back. Other permissions, pop-up in background, NFC, always allow, home screen shortcut, always allow. If there's other options that you have to, switch, there will be a gray question mark instead of this green confirmation icon. Let's go back. Notifications, where is it? MI control center, allow notifications access. Now we have to wait few seconds to accept, and now we should be good to go. Okay. Now if we try to open up the notifications bar by swiping from top to the bottom, we get MI control center. Yes, so that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and goodbye.